Being able to navigate around Team Drives and understanding how Team Drive's trash works is important for making sure a final record ends up where it is supposed to be and not accidentally deleted. On the left side navigation, if we click on the gray down arrow, a drop-down list of all the folders on my drive can be seen and quickly navigated to. Click on the Team Drives gray down arrow, a drop-down list of all the Teams drives that you are members of can quickly be seen and navigated to. You still have the option of accessing your Shared With Me files and folders. Notice, with the Shared With Me option, we just jumped out of the Team Drive window and into the My Drive window. We can see the Team Drive banner image is gone. Click on Recent Files. Notice we jump back to Team Drive. Folders can be shared and the trash can be accessed. Let's see how Team Drive Trash works. Select a folder, right-click to get the folder options. Select Delete for Everyone. A confirmation message will appear. Choose Delete for Everyone. The folder will be removed and you will have another warning that the folder will be deleted. Click Undo if deleting this folder was a mistake. The folder is now removed from Team Drive. Click on Trash. The trash will open. The deleted folder has been moved here. Note the 30-day message at the bottom of the window. If trashing this folder was an error and you would really like to restore the folder back to the Team Drive, it can be done. Just right-click on the folder and choose Restore. The trash is now empty and the folder has been restored back to the Team Drive. But what if we wanted to delete the entire Team Drive? You can't. Why? Because the Team Drive is full of files and folders. First, you must delete all the files and folders in the Team Drive. Once the Team Drive is empty, go back to the IT RIM drive card, right-click. Now the option of deleting the Team Drive is available. Once you delete a Team Drive, it is gone forever for everyone. Make sure you want to do this. Be careful, the Team Drive belongs to the team, not the individual. All the house cleaning you do will affect the team, not just you. If someone needs to leave the team, do it by managing members, not by deleting the Team Drive from their Google account. Deleting it there will delete the drive for everyone.